Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a voiceover style of video for you. I hope you all enjoy. So let's get into it. Right now I'm just filling in my eyebrows with my NYX micro brow pencil, and I'll be cleaning that up with Fenty's concealer in the shade 385. So as soon as I'm done blending out my eyebrows, I will be going in with my Fenty foundation in the shade 420, and I'll be using Fenty's concealer in the color 385. Unfortunately, me applying the foundation did not record, but luckily I got me blending out my concealer. When blending out my concealer, I like to first go in and blend with a brush and then go over it with my beauty blender just to take away any excess product and actually press the concealer into my skin. So to set my concealer in place, I'll be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just applying that everywhere I place the concealer, just to set that in place, take away the shine. And now to add some brightness back into my face, I'll be using Fenty's Pro Filter powder in the shade Honey. It's a really yellow color, so I love this powder for brightening. So once my concealer is set in place, I'm going in with a bronzer. And for today's bronzer, I'm using Fenty's Mocha Miami. So once I finish contouring my nose, I am now going in with MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark. Unfortunately, I forgot to show the packaging, but it's in my previous video and it's my favorite powder just to really set the face and help everything come together. For a quick contour, I'm using the Tarteist Palette Volume 3 just to really get my jawline, under my chin, to get rid of that double chin, and just really on my sideburns and forehead to chisel out the face. I used a lot of bronzer today, so I didn't want to use too much contour. For eyes, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Masquerade Palette. I won't really be talking through this portion of the video. I'll let you guys kind of see where I place my shadows. So just sit back and enjoy this segment, and I'll catch you in the next clip. For eyeliner, I'm using NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I applied my lashes off camera, of course. I used the Kiss lashes in number 11. I stacked those and went over that with some mascara. I used Too Faced Better Than Sex, the best mascara ever. To set my face, I'm using MAC setting spray in Gold Light. And I used my setting spray before I applied my highlighter. For highlighter, I'm using the MAC Gold Deposit. And I like it after my setting spray just because it helps it really pop. Just like you could see me from outer space. So just finishing off my lips now. That concludes the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I know I did. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.